on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Well, we just came over to Chimney Corner Beach, and oh my word.
This came so recommended by so many people. I think everyone we asked, what is your favorite beach? They all said Chimney Corner, and now we see why.
Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to another video here in beautiful Cape Breton. We are in cottage country. You might be able to see our place behind us. Speaking of behind us, or behind me, the video has started. Anna, we're trying to get this going here. She's just enjoying cottage life.
Sorry, I was just relaxing.
So today is going to be extra special. Our goal of the video is to find some of the best beaches here on the west coast of Cape Breton. We're in Port Hood right now.
We are in Port Hood. We rented this cute little cottage that you see behind us for a couple of days. We figured we'd give you a tour first, and then maybe we'll see what we can find for beaches. Hopefully the weather cooperates.
Yes.
It's really nice right
Fingers
now.
crossed.
So for those of you that are just tuning in for the first time and missed our first couple of videos from Cape Breton, it's actually situated like the northern part of Nova Scotia. It's an island. We are on the west coast right now, which is very much known for beautiful beaches and sunsets. Hopefully we can catch one. But first, let's show you our cute little cottage.
So the first area we have here is this sitting area, which we've been using quite a bit.
Yeah, it's great just for lounging, read a book, or have dinner. Speaking of which.
We also have, well, this barbecue area, and this is probably our favorite spot.
Yeah, so we checked in yesterday, and we ended up using this last night. And I kind of wish we'd filmed because we winged it. We didn't have that many ingredients, but we made kebabs and potatoes, and they were unbelievable.
I can't forget this part. There's also a little fire pit that we haven't used yet, but I guarantee we're going to use that. But let's go in and give them a tour.
Yeah, come on inside.
So as you walk in, you can see that this is a pretty nice little cottage.
It is. It's super cottagey. Is that a weird thing to say? It just seems really like cottage chic. I like it. So this side is the living room. There's a sofa over there. I think it might be a pull-out sofa, but I haven't tested that out because we don't need to. There's also a TV that we're never going to use. And AC, which is very convenient and not necessarily a given in Nova Scotia. Not a lot of people have air conditioning.
So over this way we have the dining room table. Now we have been using this as a little mini office. There's also a water station as well.
Very convenient. This is the kitchen area over here. It's not the biggest, but you are on vacation. The only thing it's missing is a dishwasher. I had to do the dishes last night, and I tell you, someone else is going to be doing them tonight. But it's got basically everything you'd ever need. Nice big fridge behind there, microwave, toaster, blah, blah, blah. Big old range here, so it's great.
So I'll take you guys down the hall here and show you, well, there's 2 bedrooms and there's a bathroom, of course. So here's bedroom number 1. It's a good size for a cottage. That's a queen size bed. And over here is the other room, which is, I'd say, a tiny bit bigger. It's also a queen size bed, so it's all you could ask for, really.
Yeah, right across the hallway here is the bathroom. I like the little pocket door in there. It's neat. You got your toilet, really nice shower, so no bath here, but super nice shower, and then a big old vanity over here. And by the way, in the room next door, there is a washer and dryer as well.
So if you're wondering, we booked this on Airbnb. It's always our go-to, especially when we're doing these little staycations.
It's perfect for staycations. And there's also a link that I'll put below that allows new users to get like 50 US, I think it is, a night or for your first booking. So you should definitely take advantage of that if you've never done it before.
Absolutely.
But what's our favorite part of both this place?
The best part about this cottage is it's only about a 3-minute walk from a beautiful beach.
So let's go.
Wow, this might be the best lead up to a beach we've ever been to.
Nova Scotia has some pretty stunning beaches. You might not have known that. And look at this. It's phenomenal.
Well, welcome to the beach, you guys. This is called Breakwater Beach, and as you can see, there's not many people on it.
I see like maybe 10 at the most, and they're way down farther
Hard
down.
to
This end, there's
believe.
one other person. It's crazy.
We just stopped to talk to the lifeguard and we asked how many beaches are here just in Port Hood, and there are 5 of them that are like this. So yeah, if you're coming here, I imagine even when it's non-COVID times, you'd have a lot of space. There's a lot of space on this beach.
So we saw a sign coming in that said the water today is 21 degrees, which I honestly find hard to believe. There's some really, really beautiful beaches back home in Halifax, and may get the opportunity to show them to you. But some of them are like 12 degrees, and you basically freeze if you go in. So
Maybe do a
21?
test. Let's test it out. 21 degrees seems warm. Huh? Not too bad.
Not bad at all. My feet aren't ice cakes yet. It was a real challenge with all the people here, but we found a really good spot.
Look, again, there's nobody behind Anna this way. And if I circle back, I mean, come on, you guys. You're gonna have to come to Port Hood for this
I'm
alone.
already like, I wonder how much property is around here. It's so pretty.
Well, this is it, you guys. This is what Nova Scotia summer is all about. We hooked a great day. We have amazing views, but one thing I'm gonna do right now is try to get our drone up in the air just so you can see exactly where we are. All right, so I think those shots turned out pretty well. Right now, well, we're hungry. Surprise, surprise. If you're a longtime viewer, you know we like to eat. There is the most adorable little beach shack that has some food right where we came in. So yeah, take a look at this. I can't believe this is here on the beach.
All right, food is here. We're gonna eat right on the beach. I love that. We got a Thai chicken wrap. Can't really tell what's in there other than chicken and some lettuce and maybe some yummy sauce on it. And we got some not so healthy popcorn chicken, but they look yummy. All right, I'm gonna try this wrap. Looks good.
I have to say, for being on the beach, like a little beach shack, food looks legit.
It's really yummy. The wrap is nice and fresh. Chicken's really good. I like the sauce on it. It's like, you know when you get like spring rolls and there's kind of like that traditional, I don't know how traditional it is, but when you get in North America, when you get that kind of like whitish sauce on the side or clear kind of sauce on the side, that's exactly what it tastes like. And a little bit of spiciness to it, so it adds a little punch.
Next up, we have this popcorn chicken. They look legit, I have to say. Now, when I think of popcorn chicken, I think of KFC. I'm sure a lot of you do, but hey, can't beat this on a beach. So
Yeah, they look like little mini chicken nuggets.
Cheersies.
Cheers.
Boop.
Really yummy.
Good crunch. Can't beat unhealthy food on the beach, right? That's why we got the Thai wrap to kind of balance it out. We had to get a bit of fried food.
Where's the French fries?
Where's the French fries? Exactly. So, but yeah, these popcorn chickens are gonna cut it today. It's always the best kind of food to have on a beach. Just comfort food while we're sitting here. You can't beat this day. Can't believe this day.
Amazing.
Perfect Nova Scotia summer day. Well, we just came over to Chimney Corner Beach, and oh my word.
This came so recommended by so many people. I think everyone we asked, what is your favorite beach? They all said Chimney Corner, and now we see why.
We're so overwhelmed with this beach, we forgot to even say it's the next day. That's why we're dressed differently, but look at this. This is one of the longest beaches I've stood on here in Cape Breton, or Nova Scotia for that matter. And there are cliffs on both sides, and the sand is some of the softest, finest sand I've ever seen anywhere in the world. It's time for the water test. Anna's volunteering. Look at this. It's not even wavy. It's super calm. All right, what's the verdict?
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's
refreshing.
nice.
Refreshing. It's not warm. It's warmish. Warmish.
I think people from Nova Scotia would say it's warm.
I do spot a lot of jellyfish. These cliffs are honestly amazing. I'm sure they look better in person than they do even in video, but we should go take a closer look. But in the meantime, just a few little things for you. There are no amenities here, so I didn't see any bathrooms, that kind of thing, but there is a place to park. No food, so bring your own food, and there's also no, at the moment anyway, hardly anybody else here. Just look how high these are. There's all these boulders on the ground too, so I'm gonna guess they probably at one point fell down. Maybe we should be careful.
Yeah, this just makes it so unique. So clearly these boulders have fell down there over time, but wow, it makes the beach kind of private with these cliffs on both sides, huh?
It's like a little cove, basically. I wonder if people like pull up their boats and get out.
So after spending a couple of days here, we can easily say this is one of the most underrated areas on Cape Breton Island. This is stunning. This is a must-do. I know most times people will go a little further up north on the other side towards Ingonish, which is also beautiful. But this place, this beach, this water, I don't know if it can be beat. Well, that looked really good on the screen, so hopefully that footage turned out well. This place from the air is even more stunning than it is from the ground. I'm still in shock and awe, and I'm also in shock about the weather. It is super hot today, full sun.
Yeah, I put on a t-shirt just to protect myself a little bit from the sun, but look what one I got on. Can you guys see what it says? It says, "I'm a delightful traveler." Does that make you think of anything in particular?
Well, you are a delightful traveler.
I am a delightful
but
traveler.
But if they want to be a delightful traveler too...
You just have to get a t-shirt. We have talked a few times about our merchandise store. When we launched it, we were actually in the Philippines, so we couldn't get any of it. So when we got home, we actually ordered a whole bunch of stuff. I got this t-shirt. Trevor got a black one that's pretty much the same. It says, "I'm a delightful traveler." I think yesterday, actually, in the beginning of the vlog, I was wearing the tank top that I got. We got a hoodie. There's so many things. There's mugs, there's bags, there's a whole bunch of stuff. But we'll put the link below so you guys can go shop for yourselves.
So I don't think we really said how far this beach is from the last beach yet, did we?
I don't think we did. Sorry if we did and we're repeating ourselves, but it's about 50 kilometers north of Port Hood, which is where we were yesterday.
Yeah, so if you guys want to recreate this honestly ultimate beach day here in the west side of Cape Breton, you can easily do it. You could go to both of these beaches like in a day.
And so many more. There's so many options for beaches here. It's actually hard to pick them, but I say this one, it's got to be a winner.
This takes the cake. Also along the way, there's plenty of places to eat and things like that. So if you're not from the island and you're just wondering, like, is there just nothing up here? There is some places to stop.
Yeah, so we passed through Mabu and Inverness.
Inverness
and
is
they
another one.
both have, I think, a fair bit of restaurants.
Yeah, and then if you go a little north from here, you end up in a place called Shetty Camp. So there's lots and lots around this part. It's kind of a magical part of the island. Well, that was about as perfect as a Nova Scotia Cape Breton beach day can get, I would say. We hooked amazing weather.
It's perfect weather. It's hot. I don't know if we said how hot it is. I feel like it's been close to 30.
30 degrees in Canada. That's an extremely hot day in Canada. I know we're used to hotter temperatures with the way we travel, but now because we can't and we're discovering our own province, it's very nice to get what others are calling a heat wave, because we definitely like the heat.
We do.
Now, if you're new around here and you're wondering who we are, I am Trevor and this is Anna. We are the Delightful Travelers. Make sure to click on subscribe to follow along on our adventures. There's a bell next to that. If you click that, you'll get email notifications. Heck, if you liked the video, leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think. Let us know where your favorite beach is in Cape Breton, or even Nova Scotia.
Nova Scotia, but yeah, Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. Let us know your favorite beaches. If we're missing some, I mean, obviously we're missing lots, but
I'd say we're missing
the goal
some.
of like visiting lots of beaches.
Yes, I think that's going to be on the plan for some other videos as well. So if you haven't got a chance to watch the last video yet, make sure to do that. Next up, we have more Nova Scotia and Cape Breton videos coming
so much
at
to
you.
come.
We
So
got
much to come. We have
big
like
plans.
notes and notes and notes and plans. All right, guys, that's it.
From Cape Breton Island, wishing you delightful travels.
See you soon.